Hello everyone on Auction Time. It's Adam from Adams Auctions and Real Estate in Belleville. Today we've got a really nice clean skid steer. It's a Case TV 450. It has ISO or H pattern operating controls, cab heat and air. Everything on this works. The machine has just been recently serviced. It has 775 hours on it. 775 on the hours. A TV Case 450 track loader. Rubber's in good shape on it. If you have any questions about this machine, give us a call. 618-530-8751. There's no oil leaks, no known problems with this machine. Good unit all the way. There's no check engine lights on or anything like that. The Case TV 450 skid steer, located in Belleville, Illinois. 618-530-8751 if you have any questions.